Now you see, this is the life. You come up here and you have a glass of wine. You have not a glass, you have the whole bottle. I got the barbecue going. I got a tomato salad. And a few minutes ago, I was out there. I went inside to get the meat, and there's a goddamn bear crossing here. What else would you see things like that? Mind you, it scared the shit out of me. But, you know, he took off. He was more scared than I was when he saw me. So, you know, this is life. Guarda che bella insalata di pomodori, va. Una bottiglia di vino. E mo' a bistecca. Guarda che bella bistecca grossa che ho fatto. Ah, what a steak. A steak for a king. It doesn't go there. Ah, look at that. Just perfect. Couple more minutes. And it's done. Now, if the bear comes along, I guess I'll have to share it. Or he might get it all. And look at the grass. It is just gorgeous here. This is the best time of the year. It is just gorgeous here. Salud. Okay. Before I run out of film, that's it.